back to another vlog in Chiang Mai.
Yeah, good morning everyone. It is currently 9 AM in the morning. We're just waiting for our excursion pickup. We're going to the King Kong Zipline, the biggest zipline in Asia. We cannot wait, can we?
Yeah.
We are a bit tired still though. We didn't get much sleep last night. The two girls in the hostel was like up till like 12:30, just like chatting and munching.
I'll if it works, I'll insert the clip now.
Just them being so loud.
If you can hear how loud it'll be.
Yeah.
Yeah, up at night. It's just inconsiderate. People eating crisps at 12:30 at night, and they smell so good. So what's with the hair net? Here we go. Let's do this.
I've got to be honest, my legs are shaking.
Shannon's sitting herself. Shannon's up first, and the little one here.
I'm so fucking scared, man.
I'm trying to play it cool, but
I actually feel sick.
and you gotta wear these Michael Jackson gloves. So you have to grip this camera quite tight.
What? No, you're scaring me.
Sit down.
Okay.
Yeah, sit down. Yeah, enjoy. Sorry about it.
Back up over here. So now we gotta do a straight drop to the floor.
Oh, this is too much. My legs are shaking.
Last words, Shan.
Good luck.
Whoa! So Shannon's getting picked on,
Yeah.
and then she's been put last, so they're gonna do some crazy shit.
No. Are you ready, Jane?
Oh yeah, this is a big one. This is the big one. It's big.
I believe you can fly.
Oh yeah, Superman. Whoa!
That was so crazy. The tour guide was like, no, you wait. And then he came literally right behind me. And as I was going, I turned like to the side, and he was literally like right in my face, and he was like, ah! Okay. I screamed obviously, and then he went upside down. So yeah.
Crazy shit. And we just coming across that bridge as well. But
Legs are like jelly, aren't they?
yeah. A nut.
Breathe up.
So I'm trusting the camera into Shannon's hands here.
I'm kind of scared. Thank you. I don't know if I can.
Let's do this.
Come on, Jen.
Right, what the hell? How is he not holding on? What the hell?
You do it by your own?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll be okay, yeah. Woo!
Sit down.
Okay.
1, 2, go!
What do you think, Shan?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's shitting the pants.
I've calmed down a bit, but God, it's crazy. I'm too old for this type of stuff. We're currently at the highest point of the zip line. We're at 1,200 meters now, so we're about to do the longest zip line in Asia.
So the length of it is 1,200 meters. Yeah, Shannon's going first.
Yeah. Look at the view, ready? Oh my God! How do you feel?
Pretty chill.
Yeah.
Enjoying myself. You?
I'm scared. No funny business, yeah? No crazy business.
Come on, chicken.
Okay. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 One, two, 10.
Whoa! Oh shit. Fucking getting stuck. Oh no! Oh shit. Oh my god, it's Spider-Man. Crazy guy.
He's crazy. Must be amazing. Woo!
Woo! Did you get stuck?
Yeah, just at the end.
Have you?
You're crazy, yeah?
Oh, I have to eat more. Yeah, you can run, but after that you will take down.
Like that.
Ready?
To go faster. You...
Yeah. Go.
Run?
Run.
Okay, I don't want to run!
My flow's gone. Oh, yeah.
Is it still there?
Oh, is it?
เทศบาลนะครับหน่วยงานเทศกิจนะครับจะเข้ามาทำการ
Hello everybody. We're just walking through the Sunday walking market
In Chiang Mai.
in Chiang Mai.
It's like the biggest market in Chiang Mai. They only have it on a Sunday, so hence the name, Sunday Market Market.
That's right. Had a fantastic day zip wiring.
Oh, it's been amazing, isn't it?
So proper thrill seeking. And we're heading back to the hostel now to pick up our bags because
Yeah.
we fly to Phuket at 8:30.
Yep.
So we're probably going to end today's vlog here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.
And